Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You love my videos. God bless you, and God is giving me the opportunity to help you in many ways. I'm really blessed, and thank you so much for your love and messages. You ask me too many questions, and request please just ask me question on the WhatsApp. If you can text me, audio is going to be helpful because I'm helping you in many ways. So it's difficult to answer on the phone. So in this video, I will share some experience of the people which they share with me, and their account was blocked. So I want you to explain you and just be careful if you having this problem, because you spending too much money and time to get this license and you don't want to lose it, because you making money and you take care of your families, and some people take care of many families. They just told me. This happened with the two people. With the first people, I'm just want to share this letter from the TFL as well. You can see on the screen. He just shared with me. He was so stressed. He gave me the stress as well because he was asking me too many questions. So it's difficult to, because I'm not a lawyer, but we just help you with the experience. Because if this thing happen, only the TFL people, or if you register with a union, so please try to register with a union, because they have a lawyer. They can then help you if something happen. Yeah, so what he did, it was crazy, I would say that. He was registered, he got just license 1 week ago, and he was registering on the Uber. He done on Uber, then he was doing on Bolt. So he just told his brother, he was working, told his brother that he gave the login of the Bolt and said to him, please upload my document. And he was in the office, and he in the same time he logged in as well. So what his brother did, when he uploaded all the document, so when asking to take the picture, his brother took his picture and uploaded it. Oh my God. And this was a clash, isn't it? Because they take your passport as well. So when they see the picture, because there's a software nowadays, it's very good. They match your picture with the document, like Uber do as well. So then Uber flagged suspicious activity. Then they emailed him to explain what happened. And then he explained actually the same thing, but they did not trust him, and they informed Uber as well. Then Uber sent him this big letter. If you see on the screen, they're asking him explain what happened. I don't know what is going to be happening with the TFL, because he just in the process. He just replied, but Bolt permanently blocked him, suspended him. He said you cannot work with Bolt. So this was very unfortunate. So please, you be careful if you're gonna do this one. Yeah, so do not give your login to other person, because some people, my brother-in-law as well, he don't know much about the mobile and computer thing. He just give the login, Uber login, to other friend. He was 10 miles away. He said, just can you upload this insurance document? And then the Uber suspend him, but they called him and explained him. Luckily his account was okay. Try not to do this one. The second thing was very crazy from the customer, I would say that. So what actually happened, the Uber blocked customer, if you can see this letter. Then they sent to TFL as well. So if the Uber or Bolt or any platform, they block you or something happened, they tell TFL immediately as well. So what actually happened, the driver, he was picking the passenger. He went there, and he was telling me that it was his last job. He wanna go home after that. Then he waited about 3 months, because you have to wait for 3 months. Then after that, the Uber charge customer. So he waited for 3 minutes. Sorry, if I say month, it's 3 minutes. Then he wanna go home. Then he canceled the job. He started driving away. I think then the customer came but he drove away. Then the customer complained. He complained crazy. Oh my God. He said that the driver, he reversed the car and hit my leg, and then he ran away. Oh my God. Look, if you have a dash cam, then you should have a dash cam. Otherwise this kind of customer is crazy. He complained this one, but luckily he explained everything to Uber. Then the Uber unblocked him, but the TFL is asking for information. I don't know what is happened with him as well. Just I want to share these stories with you. There's many stories as well. I don't want to make lengthy video, but if you can see on the screen as well here. So where whatever is happened, serious thing happened, then the TFL send you the email and they send you all the record whatever Uber sent them. You can see your, in the Uber, if you go to your rating star, there's a compliment. You check if the people complain, this comes over there, and they record. One person come to me, he have a 20 complaint for within 10 years. So the TFL sent to him. So they were saying, you've done this one in 2010, you've done this in 2014. Means they have all the record, but something when serious happen, they send it to you and they ask for the more details and comments on that. Yeah, so be careful when you drive. If you do not use the mobile, if you can see on the screen, the passenger was saying he was watching a program, TV program. I don't know what happened. There was a match, but the customer complained. If you are speeding, they complain as well. Some not all passengers, some customer, and whatever you do, they think which is not safe, they can complain. So be careful, drive safe, because this piece of license is very important for you guys. You're earning money for your family. So stay blessed, be safe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I put the video most often. It's going to be helpful for you. Thank you so much.